I will touch you one day, Mr. Moon. Just you wait and see. I am coming!
Long ago, in a small town, a curious little boy loved looking up at the sky. While other children played games, he spent hours watching birds and airplanes.
Dad, look! That airplane is flying so high. Fly one someday?
If you work hard and never stop learning,
Then one day, I'll fly higher than anyone.
He loved airplanes so much that he built paper airplanes every chance he got.
He read books about flying. He drew airplanes. He dreamed about airplanes.
What would you like to be when you grow up?
Doctor! A teacher! And what about you, Neil? I want to go beyond the sky. Beyond the sky? But someday, someone will.
Loved experimenting. He spent many days building a small glider. He was sure it would fly perfectly.
So hard on it. That's okay. Now I know how to build a better one. Really?
every mistake teaches us. Neil worked hard to earn money. He delivered newspapers.
Now I know how to boost
Excellent work, Neil. You're improving
Flying
quickly.
feels amazing.
Have a focus. Those qualities make a great pilot.
I still have a lot to learn.
That's exactly why you'll succeed. Soon, a new opportunity appeared. Scientists and engineers were preparing missions to explore space. Neil applied to become an astronaut. Thousands of talented people applied. Only a few would be chosen. The training was difficult, but Neil kept learning, practicing, and improving. Neil, are you okay? Yes, I am fine. Resolving the issue now. Neil showed an important quality. Even during challenges, he stayed calm and thought clearly. Then came the mission that would change history. A mission to the moon. As the spacecraft approached the moon, a problem appeared. Warning signals flashed. The landing area looked. We are switching to manual control.
We're receiving alerts.
Neil?
Stay calm. I'm taking manual control.
If you work harder...
Neil wasn't born a hero. He was once a curious little boy who loved looking at the sky. Big dreams, hard work, never giving up. Your dreams matter. Every great achievement begins with a simple idea. Keep learning, keep trying, keep believing, because one day, your dream might change the world. Their stories live in the books we read. Dream big, learn more, never give up. Little Legends TV.
Please like, share, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.